All right, Fishaholic fam, and welcome back to another episode. We're gonna try and do some surf fishing today. It's a beautiful mid-October day down here in Florida, and we're right in the middle of prime time mullet run season. So we're gonna fish along the jetty here, and then probably work our way out to the end and fish the ocean surf a little bit. And I'll throw some lures, throw some bait if we can catch it, and just have a day. So stay tuned. Let's catch some fish. All right, I'm gonna start things off with this little 4-inch Fishaholic finback shad on a 3/4 ounce jig head. And we're on the second half of the outgoing tide right now, and I bet you there's probably only a couple hours left, which is okay, because I'm looking forward to fishing most of the incoming once the tide turns. And I think that's when the better fishing is going to be, because I was here a couple days ago, and that's when I did the best. And a couple days ago I was able to catch a redfish, some Jack Crevalle, and some Snook, and I also hooked into a couple tarpon, but unfortunately they did what tarpon do and they jumped off. So today I'm hoping to get at least one tarpon landed. And then, you know, I'll be happy if we just catch a variety of the other species as well. So I'm just gonna fish the rocks hard to start with this swim bait, and if nothing, then I might go walk along the beach and see if there's anything cruising along there. And I did spot some mullet, so I think we should be able to catch some. So I'll probably fish with this swim bait or some other artificials for like 30-40 minutes, and if we can't catch anything, then go catch some bait. Oh, just got a bite. Oh, there's a fish. Just a small Jack Crevalle. I saw him race out from the rocks to eat the bait when I swam it by, which was kind of cool. Oh, there's another one. Wow. These little jacks are here pretty good. Oh no, it's a Snook actually. I thought that was a jack. It's a Snook that just released himself. Dang it. All right, let's see if there's anything along the beach here. There's not a whole lot of current right now, but when the tide switches and starts coming in, it probably will be a lot better right here. But we'll give it a try for now. And oh, there was a bite. Something small. Oh, there's a little baby Snook. So I'll let you in on a secret. And earlier when I was flying the drone, I did fly it over the shallows here along the beach, and I did spot, I believe, what looked to be a small tarpon cruising the beach. So I think there could be potential right now. Oh, a bunch of mullet right here. That's a good sign. Oh, tarpon rolling right here in front of me. They're swimming to the left. I'm gonna try and give them a leading cast. Come on, come on, please eat, please eat, please eat. It looked like there were 2 tarpon there. All right, pretty cool. We saw those tarpon along the beach. Would have been cooler if we could have gotten one to eat, but since we didn't, I just fished my way back to the rocks and didn't have any other action or see anything else. So now that we have kind of like slack water, it's getting to the end of the outgoing. I'm thinking we should just try and catch some mullet, because that'll be our best opportunity, I think, to catch those tarpon or just catch more fish. So yeah, let's see if we can get some bait. We got some mullet right here. Oh, that one jumped right out of the net. Got a few. Terrible toss, but I got a bunch. And I got a little snook. No way. Look at that. I got a little snook in the cast net. Oh no, no, no. No, no. There he goes. All right, now that we got plenty of bait, we're gonna bust out the Dark Matter Fishaholic Surf Series spinning rod and grab a fresh mullet. Oh, come back here. Had to catch this guy twice. And yeah, I'm just gonna nose hook him. I go in the mouth, out through the roof of the mouth, and I'm gonna walk a little bit down the beach and cast him out there. And it looks like the tide just started coming in, so he'll probably drift from right to left back towards the rocks. Check out this little like blitz going on. I don't know what they are. Maybe little snapper bluefish. They're going crazy on some rain bait right now. And there's a redfish right here. Oh, look at that redfish right there. It's so cool. I'm gonna try and get a smaller mullet on. Maybe I can get him to eat it. This one's kind of big for him. This guy might work. Oh, I had the little redfish. There's a slightly bigger one. I gotta get him to eat. Oh, he just ate it. That was so cool. Literally sight casted that one. Nice. This guy's ripping. So cool. Beautiful redfish. Look at that. There he goes. Oh, just had a tarpon roll right here. Oh, something's trying to eat him. Oh, look at that, little tarpon just ate him. There he is. Nice. Oh, sweet. Oh my gosh, he's going crazy. All right, there he is. Beautiful little tarpon. Heck yeah. There he goes. All right, let's keep it going. I'm having a blast. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video. If you are, please smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for future uploads. Let's see what else wants to eat here. Oh, just got 8. Snook on. Dang, just a little baby. All right, for our next bait, let's bring him out on the end of the jetty and see if we can get something out there. Oh, there's a ton of snook right here in front of me. Oh, and another redfish. Got a redfish right here. Look at that. A snooker ate it right at my feet. Oh, that was a tarpon right there. Oh, another tarpon right there. That was sick. Got a pile of snook and some tarpon here. That was a little bit bigger one too. Oh, another tarpon. Oh, another one. That one might have, nope, still didn't get him. Oh, that was a snook and a tarpon fighting for the bait. Oh, that was another tarpon. That one got it. Oh, we got him. Woo! Woo! That was cool. I really enjoy catching these little guys because they're just a little more sporty. And you can take them out of the water. And out he goes. Sweet. All right, well, it's probably been like 30 minutes now since that last fish. So the bite is kind of slowed up a bit. And it's time for me to have a bite because I am starving. And courtesy of Wawa, I've got this little Italian style pinwheels and some green tea mixed with a lot of water, so they're watered down green tea. And it was have some lunch and chill, enjoy the beautiful day. And then I think I'm just gonna fish for like an hour and a half, 2 hours more, because we're already halfway into this incoming tide. And I actually kayaked to this spot, got out, and came here to surf fish. And we're gonna have to go back probably like 1.5 miles, 2 miles to the launch in the kayak. And I don't want to do that if the tide turns around and starts going out. So I wanna be due diligent and you know, get back out in the kayak so the current pushes us back to the launch. Oh, I'm so hungry. Now, while I'm sitting here contemplating life and fishing, I'm thinking like the day has already been amazing. You know, we got on a decent bite, caught that cool redfish, a couple little tarpon. Now, I'd be really happy if we could get like a 40-inch or plus tarpon. And that's kind of why I brought the heavier surf rod, because I was hoping that we would get, you know, something bigger from the surf. So we'll see. This current's really starting to rip, so maybe the bigger fish will come out to play. All right, 5-minute break. Let's get back to fishing. All right, a little update for you. So after lunch, we killed another hour out on the end of the jetty and along the ocean beach there, and only caught 1 or 2 more like super dinky snook, and we had to work for those bites, unfortunately. So that bite kind of died off, and I started to see the sky get darker and hear some thunder, and it's starting to drizzle a little bit, so I figured we'd start working our way back. And I just spent like another 30-45 minutes along the jetty here, and only caught another small dinky snook. So I think we're gonna pack things up. The incoming current is starting to slack off, and I think that's what really kind of shut down the bite. And there's still enough current though that I think we can hop in the kayak out there and have a nice quick ride back to the launch. And we'll have to come back another day, and hopefully we can get some more redfish, because that was cool, and maybe some bigger snook the next time, and some bigger tarpon. But anyways, if you guys got any questions or concerns, just comment down below or look in the description for like tackle and equipment. And if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next episode. And like always, live to fish, fish to live.